Good morning, this is Phillip Streible, Senior Commodities Broker at R.J.O. Futures, giving you your weekly metals commentary here for Wednesday, February 13th. Looking at the metals, they started off a little bit more positive tone here last night. They came in this morning. We saw retail sales a little bit better than expected. Metals were holding on pretty good. Then we saw gold kind of give up some of its gains. Equities are starting to press their high. They've been working really inversely. We've been seeing, gold work its way lower, equities work its way higher. The underlying theme behind gold right now is mainly being technical driven. There's not been any real new announcements or any kind of real Fed news, although we do have several Fed chairmen speaking throughout the day, or Fed presidents are speaking throughout the day here today, but otherwise not much going on with gold. Barrick Gold had reduced their production estimates here for last year, and typically that would under normal circumstances give gold a little bit of a boost, but seems like people are looking less to the fundamentals of gold, more at the technicals. It's been forming this giant triangular wedge pattern. Problem is though, is we've been threatening the downside of it. We saw gold press down like 1640s here yesterday, and today here we're just holding up just right around that 1650 range. So that seems to be like an equilibrium price, but really we've got to get over above 1686 in order to have any kind of threat to the upside of the bull triangle. Looking at silver, silver's been performing a little bit better than gold. I'm really surprised that we're holding this 31 range so well. We dipped below 31 yesterday. We're back above it here today, but it seems like there's several resistance points like 31.40, then up at like $32. That would be, a great challenge for for silver to get above. Now, the best performing metals in the sector have been platinum and palladium, or really specifically platinum, and then palladium's been getting, a lot of help from platinum and the fundamentals. Clearly the fundamentals of platinum are, quite bullish and then favorable to upside prices. That's why the chart patterns dictated that. Pretty much what's going on is that about 90% of platinum is produced either in Russia or in South Africa, and 72% of it being in South Africa, and they've got a large production deficit, about 400,000 ounces. The deal with that is that most of the mines are quite mature. They're all about 2 miles down, the ones that I really track. And when you start getting 2 miles down and into a mine, some of the basic needs become quite scarce. Electricity is, kind of questionable at some point in time. What that does is that upsets some of the labor that's working down in those conditions, and then you get labor strikes that go on, and it's quite dangerous as well. So platinum prices have been quite explosive because of that type of news. Plus, after effects of Hurricane Sandy, we're seeing auto sales pick up quite a bit, and that's one of the main parts of the catalytic converter. So look for platinum prices to continue an upward trend here, but remember, on platinum there's no options contracts, so you can't pick up puts, so you have to use hard stops if you're going to use protection on the platinum contract. But if you have any questions, give me a call, 800-438-4805. Remember, futures and option trading involves risk of loss, may not be suitable to all investors. Good luck, good trading.